Welcome to GenFarmer. In this video, we will learn about the Facebook Trust Script, a solution that helps you automate the nurturing and building of credibility for your Facebook accounts on the box phone system without any programming skills required. Managing accounts through a browser is very likely to get detected and locked by Facebook. GenFarmer solves this problem by controlling the box phone to use real phones and real user behaviors to create trustworthy accounts that can bypass all algorithms. This script is especially useful for new accounts or those with little activity. Instead of getting locked as soon as you use the account for advertising or adding friends, our AI will automatically interact like a real user, browsing the newsfeed, watching videos, and commenting naturally. This process creates a credible activity history, making your account strong and ready for any marketing or sales campaign. This video will guide you through the entire setup process from preparing your account and configuring the AI to launching your campaign. Please note that you need to have a Facebook account and be logged in on the devices in the box phone. First, we'll start at the Control Center interface. Select the group of devices you want to use. Click on that group. Select Copy ID device to copy the IDs of all devices in the group. On the left toolbar, click on Account Manager to manage your accounts. We will create a new table in the bottom left corner. Click on New, then select New Table. Click on the three-dot icon and select Rename. Here I will name it FB Trust and press Enter. Next, we need to add accounts to this table. Click the Add Account button in the top right corner. A window will appear. Here you can paste any list you have. After pasting, click Add and the information will appear as shown on the screen. Click on the Device ID column and paste the device IDs you copied in Step 1 here. Click the Setup Automation button and a window will appear with a list of available scenarios. We will select the Facebook Trust scenario and click Select. Now we will go to the detailed configuration section for this scenario by clicking on Config App. This is the most important part. Let's go through each parameter together. API keys. This is where you paste the API keys from Google AI. How to get Google AI API keys? Go to the provided link, click Create API keys and select Create Project to create a new project. For example, name it Gemini API. Name your key, Key 1, Key 2 and click Create Key. The system will generate a new key. Click on that key and copy the API code. Enter topic category, input another product category for the AI to analyze and interact with. For example, sports. Enter language. Input the language you want the AI to use. For example, Vietnamese. Device rate. In the config column on the right, this option allows you to select the number of devices running in parallel at the same time. For example, I will set it to 5. After filling in all the parameters, click Save to save the configuration. Everything is ready. Now we just need to click the Run button and a list of actions will appear. Select Account Farming to start the campaign. You can see that the status of the devices has changed to running and the log section on the right starts displaying information. Let's switch to the Control Center interface to see how the devices are operating in real time. As you can see, the phones are automatically opening the Facebook app and starting to scroll, watch videos and like posts according to the script and configuration we set up. GenFarmer Facebook Trust is not just an ordinary automation tool, it is a comprehensive AI system that simulates human behavior in the most sophisticated way. The system generates authentic interaction data, helping Facebook's algorithm recognize your account as a real user, thereby building credibility and minimizing the risk of being locked. Stop wasting your time and effort. Let GenFarmer help you build a high-quality set of Facebook accounts ready for any campaign. GenFarmer, smart automation, building solid trust.